Hello everyone. How to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to above and you can search about X Twitter and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about X Twitter. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget